If you've been looking for a hand soap that actually delivers, we got you. Check this out.
Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Rainwater Hand Soap brings that feeling home. Made with essential oils, aloe vera, and olive oil to soften even the busiest hands.
I love this soap. It doesn't dry my hands and it smells great.
Over 50,000 bottles sold last month. People love how naturally clean it makes their home feel. World premiere Word on the Streets community. Grab your 33-ounce Mrs. Meyer's Rainwater refill for 33% off, just $6.66. Get it while this deal lasts.